Happy Thursday, New Jersey. It's Chief Meteorologist Joe Martucci here at Triax57. And let's talk about what Hurricane Helene could mean in New Jersey here. Hurricane Helene will make landfall in the Big Bend of Florida tonight as a major hurricane. And there will be plenty of storm surge from the Tampa Bay area into the Big Bend and even parts of the Florida Panhandle as well. So thoughts and prayers for them. Let's take a look at what this means for us in New Jersey. Good news, no severe impacts expected. We are expecting 2 rounds of much-needed rain. One comes this weekend, one comes in the middle of next week. That could be with a nor'easter that reforms. Not a definite, but a possible nor'easter that reforms from the remnants of Helene. Now, let's take a look at the time that it will be wet over the next 3 days. Same graphic as what we used on Wednesday. We're just pushing it forward a day. And there looks to be spotty showers during the daytime hours on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. In fact, if you're in Ocean and Atlantic County specifically, you could be completely dry on Friday. Let's take a look at our futurecast here. So this is from the HER model. This is American model. Most of the day Thursday you see is dry, and I think a number of us will be completely dry for your Thursday. It'll just be cloudy. We go into the overnight hours, and then as we get to early Friday, some rain showers form here, and they'll be around throughout the day, but we see rain actually moving from north to south from the northern part of the state, and then another one from south to north. And that south to north part is the remnants of Helene, that first round that comes this weekend. For your Thursday, temperature is actually pretty mild this morning, starting out around 70 degrees. It's a summer-like morning, and then we top out around 80 inland and 74 at the shore. We can see a spotty shower. Otherwise, it'll be mostly cloudy with a wind out of the south here as a warm front passes through. We go to Thursday night. It's damp, it's cloudy, but it's probably dry. There could be a few spritz of showers around. We'll call it just sprinkles during the late overnight Thursday. Temperatures stay in the 60s here. And then for Friday, again, driest in Atlantic and Ocean counties where you're not quite north enough to get that rain from that cold front that'll sag down from upstate New York, and vice versa with that rain coming from the south with the remnants of Helene. So I think Friday, at worst, in Cape May County, you're talking about some light rain during the day at times, not even a washout. And in Monmouth County, spotty showers here. So Cape May County does look to be the wettest. Now, let's take a look at Helene. We have a full video update for you on this, but we'll fast forward the clock here to 2 a.m. on Friday. The tropical storm Helene by this point and this low pressure system undergoes something called the Fujiwara effect. If you saw the movie Twisters, you know what I'm talking about here. It's when 2 low pressure systems rotate around a common center. They eventually become one, but by the time we get to this weekend, a ridge of high pressure over us kind of blocks it from moving eastward. Even though there will be some rain showers over the weekend, it's not going to be a heavy rain. That gets blocked from this ridge of high pressure. So we look at our weekend weather, again, areas of light rain, spotty showers on Saturday, and even as we go into Sunday with perhaps a solid period of rain during the day on Sunday. I think if you have outdoor plans this weekend, and there are plenty, you're going to have to plan for some rain, but I don't think it's a washout. So if you can kind of time your events around the rain, I think you'll be okay, and we'll have more details for you on when it'll be wettest in our Friday video here as well. Let's take a look at the middle of next week. Again, nor'easter will be possible. That's if this low pressure system from the remnants of Helene move out due east over North Carolina. It's not a definite, but that's something just to look at. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. So a lot of rain in this forecast if you just look at the icons, but I promise you it will be mostly dry during this time, at least until we get to Monday night. We'll see what the remnants of Helene do. But our warmest day will be Thursday. It's a summery day. It's a mostly cloudy day. Over at the shore, no coastal flooding expected over the next 7 days, but there will be a high risk of rip currents. And remember, wettest area on Friday, Cape May County, driest areas, Ocean as well as Atlantic counties. This forecast is brought to you by Ducktown Tavern and Liquors located in the historic Ducktown neighborhood of Atlantic City. You can find happy hour specials from 3 to 6 p.m., appetizers, burgers, and much, much more. Remember to visit Ducktown Tavern and Liquors in Atlantic City.